has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Madison to McFarland to near Deerfield, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Waunakee, McFarland, Monona, Windsor, Columbus, Marshall, DeForest, Cottage Grove, Gwinnett, Deerfield, Partyville, Fall River, Shorewood Hills, Maple Bluff, Rio, and Cambria. Other landmarks included are the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin.